A little something about Raymond. He's an investor in stocks and rooms. He wants no money from you, no bait and switch, nothing. Here's what he's going to do. He's going to log into his personal account, share real estate property documents, and give you suggestions on what to read.
All right, today is March 22nd, 2022, and we're going to get this going. We're at my Fidelity Net Benefits login screen, and we're checking out my GE 401k today. We're about to log in and see what it do. Hopefully you guys had a good trading day. And I'm about to put in the secret code. Close your eyes, because we got to do this to get into this account. Well, I have a little good news. I am back over $1 million in my portfolio. And this is something that you guys can do. And I will hold your hand and show you step by step by step how you can do it too. But right now we're going to get into this GE 401k. And before I do that, I want to ask you guys, can you hit the subscribe, like, and share button right now in this video? It helps me to keep helping you. Everything I do is for free. I really appreciate you guys. Go ahead and do that now while I click on this GE retirement savings plan, and we're going to talk about these numbers. My current balance as of yesterday, $402,714.58. My rate of return for the year is, I am down 7.09%. Ooh, that hurts. I'm negative. And what does that mean in terms of dollars? It means I lost almost $31,000, $30,718.57. That is not a good look, so let's not look at it. Let's go up to the top, and we're going to check out investments. What am I invested in? And we like to click on this tab, cumulative returns. We like to look at this column, YTD. I am making a profit of 0.01%, which is almost like zero, but it's a little bit over zero. And what am I invested in? I am in the GE Government Money Market Fund. Let's open it up. What am I invested in? Almost 85% of this fund's assets are in cash, and the other 15% is in domestic bonds. And what's this fund trying to do? It is to seek a high level of current income consistent with the preservation of capital and maintenance of liquidity. What does that mean? All that means is this fund is saying we ain't going to let you lose any money, but we ain't going to let you make any money either. This fund is to say, yo, you want to get out of the market, park your money until you're ready to jump back in. This is a cool fund to have. All 401ks don't have money market accounts or money market funds. Hopefully yours has one, and you will put your money there if your 401k was crashing like mine's was crashing, and you want to keep the money that you have. That's when you will go into this money market fund. Outside of that, you would never put any money in this money market fund. So if you're feeling good, you think the stock market is doing well, you shouldn't put 1 penny in the money market fund. You should be in the stock market, because that's what it's all about. So let's close this out. And I want to talk about investment choices, because I'm going to start pulling some of this $400,000 out of the money market fund, and I'm going to jump back into the market. I just don't know what I'm going to pick yet. But right now, as I always tell you, you want to pick this tab, cumulative total returns. And once you pick this tab, this is when you start looking at all your investment choices, and we still do the same thing. We look at this year-to-date column. And I believe by the next video, I should tiptoe into the large cap equity index and maybe this mid cap equity index. So I got to give it a little bit more thought of how much money do I want to put into these funds and exactly when I want to do it. So We will see what I'm going to do before the next video I make to show you guys what's up. I always keep you guys, matter of fact, you guys are always the first to know. So anyone that checks my videos out, you know. Let's go to the top and we're going to see where we are now to where we were 2 weeks ago. So we're going to compare this balance to where we were 2 weeks ago by going to stocks and rentals. And we're going to find the last GE update. And it was right here on March 7th. And I was at $402,714.58. Bringing that back to yesterday. This is the same number, $402,714.58. I did not change. So I didn't make a penny and I didn't lose a penny. As I told you guys, this money market account is if you want to park your money, take it out of the stock market because maybe you don't like how the stock market is acting. You want to park your money. That's what I did. And if I didn't do that, I'm pretty sure this would be a even bigger negative number, maybe like -10 or negative, maybe double, -14. But a little bit over a month ago, I took my money out and I'm glad I did. Now I want to tell you guys how you can get over $400,000 in your 401k. And it starts with $1. That's what I did. I started with $1 out of my paycheck, and then it went to $2, and then I started putting as much money as I could into my 401k. I started looking at my investments, analyzing them, picking the best investments, and bam, I was over $400,000. The good thing about this is I will hold your hand and show you how to do it. I'm going to leave a link in the description right below, and it's going to take you right here to stocks and rentals. And when you get here, you're going to click on the menu, and you want to go right here. Start here to learn about your 401k. And when you get here, this stuff is super duper duper easy. There's a total of 10 steps. Easy steps. And each step will take you to a video or a link where you can read just what to do. I go step by step by step. I tell you how to get the money out of your paycheck into your 401k. Once you get it in the 401k, I tell you how to look at all the funds and decide what you want to pick. Once you decide what you want to pick, I then tell you how to get it in there. And then I tell you how you can switch it up if you don't like what you picked. But the key thing is to do the 10 steps. This is how you can get over $400,000 in your 401k. I got your back. I got you 100%. Let me close this video out. We're going up to the top. And I want to tell you guys this. I invest in stocks. I invest in rentals. Why would I try to get money from you? That makes no sense. If you got somebody making videos, they have a YouTube channel, they have a website, but then they try to switch it up and do the switcheroo or the razzle dazzle on you and say, you know what, you really got to pay me this and you really got to enroll in this and all this crazy stuff. Why are they doing that if they're making money in stocks and rentals? I don't do that. Everything I do is for free. I remember when I started out, nobody was there to give me game. I'm giving you pure game. I got you. It's as simple as that. I am Raymond, Stocks and Rentals. I am out. Peace.
Come on, push the button.
Yeah, come on, push your button up.
Push the goddamn button.
Push the goddamn